So guys, this is day 7 of a series that I started on my channel Tuning Data. In this series, I am solving 100 business question in Power BI. So if you have not seen previous videos, just go on my channel and watch that. In today's question, we are going to use RankX DAX function. So let's open your Power BI and learn and practice together. So let's start today's question now. So guys, this is my Power BI homepage here. Let me connect the data from my PostgreSQL database. Okay, so let's start that. Search here for PostgreSQL, click here and then connect. For the server name, I am giving here localhost, and for the database name, it's 100 question series. Okay, and let's click here on OK. As you can see, our PostgreSQL database has been connected to Power BI. We get these two tables here. The name is product and sales table. Let's load it to Power BI. So guys, I hope you are practicing with me. If you will practice here, it will really benefit for you only. So let the data load here. It's being loaded. If you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in description of this video. We will get all this data on my GitHub profile. So don't worry about that. So let me show you the data set that we have for today's question. So this is our product table. In product table, we have these three columns here like product ID, product name and category. And then we have this sales table here. In sales table, we have these four columns here like sale ID, product ID, sale date and quantity. Okay, so this is all about the data that we have for today's question. So guys, this is all about the data that we have for today's question. Now let me show you the model view for both the tables here. Okay, so yeah, so this is the model view for our both the tables, sales and the products. The relationship has been already built here on the basis of product ID. So this is one to many relationship here. Okay, so the cardinality is one to many. So this is already done here. So now let me show you the question that we have for today's video. Let's open this report view now. So guys, this is day 7 of 100 business question series in Power BI. The question for today is show the top selling product by quantity within each category for the year 2024. Okay, so we have to show the product with the highest quantity sold in 2024 within each category. Okay, so let's start the question. For that purpose, I am going to create a measure here with the total quantity sold in 2024. Okay, so let's write here total sales in 2024. For that purpose, I am going to use here calculate. Expression will be sum of quantity and the filter is sale date is greater than equal to date 2024 01/01 from 1st of January till sale date is less than equal to date 2024 December 31st. So this is for 2024 total sales. Okay, let's run this query now. And we have created this table with the total sales in 2024. Now let me create a column chart here. Okay, let's take this clustered column chart. And on the x-axis, let's take this product category and the product name. Okay, on the y-axis, let's take it total sales in 2024. Now let me format this column chart here. Let me show you the data labels and let's increase the size of x-axis values till 14. I think this is correct. And the size of y-axis till 13. Increase more. Yeah, this is correct. And now let's increase the data label size. Increase size till 16, 20. Yeah. So we have generated this column chart which shows that all the products within each category and their total sales in 2024. But the question is saying that we have to find the top selling product by quantity within each category. Okay, for that purpose, I am going to create a measure here that will give the rank to each product according to their total sales. For that purpose, I'm going to use rank X DAX formula here. Okay, so let's name it sales rank and use here rank X. Okay, for the table purpose, I'm going to use here all selected and then product name. Okay, and expression will be total sales in 2024 in descending order. So let's close this query now and let's run it. So we have created this total sales rank. We will use this sales rank to filter this column chart here. So let's open this filter pane, click here on the column chart and drag this sales rank here. Okay, and then use is equal to 1. We have to find only the top selling product within each category. For that purpose, I'm going to use 1 here and apply filter. So this is all about this question. We have generated this column chart here, which is showing the top selling product by quantity within each category for the year 2024. As you can see here in the April category, the t-shirt is the top selling product with the 40 quantity. In electronics category, the smartphone is the top selling product by 32 quantity. In furniture, the table is top selling product by 35 quantity. So this is all about today's question here. Okay, if you want to get all this data, you can go through the link given in description of this video. You will get all this data on my GitHub profile. If you want to connect me personally, want to ask something related to data analytics, SQL or Power BI, you can directly DM me on my LinkedIn profile. So let's wrap this video now. So I hope guys this video will really put an impact in your Power BI learning journey. If yes, please hit the like button, share with your friend and save for the future reference. I will meet you in the next video with the next question. Till then, goodbye.